Hi, here I am with one more tip for happy marriage. Do you want to build a stronger marriage? Three simple words said every day can make a big difference. Number one, say sorry. It shows humility and opens the door to healing. In Bible, James 5:16 says, "Confess your sins to each other and pray for each other so that you may be healed." Number two, say thank you. Gratitude honors your spouse and reflects God's goodness. Number three, every day say I love you because love is the bond that holds everything together. In Colossians 3:14 it says, "Above all, put on love, which binds everything together in perfect harmony." Sorry, thank you, I love you. Say them daily, live them deeply, and watch your marriage grow God's way. God is love. Let Him lead your home. Thank you.